Hey there, CJ Math students. So tonight I'm going to help you out with homework 1.11, decimals and powers of 10. Please make sure you're copying down exactly the information that I'm copying down. So let's remember that when we multiply, we move right, and when we divide, we're going to be moving left. So divide, go a little bit lower than that. Divide, move left. All right, so let's start with a couple of multiplication problems up here. So multiplying by 10, so that's 0.56. I only have one zero, so I'll move it one time. So my answer is 5.6. 0.56, I have two zeros this time, so I'm moving two times, equals 56. And 0.56, I have three zeros this time, so I have once, twice, three times. That's 560, because any empty space gets filled in with a zero. 0.0385 multiplied by 10, one zero, so I move once right, equals 0.385. 0.0385 multiplied by 100, so two zeros, once, twice. So 3.85, and multiply by three zeros, move three times right, once, twice, three times, equals 38.5. Notice hopefully you're just seeing this decimal just make its way to the right in each one of these numbers. Like this is 56.0, right? 560.0, right? You can just imagine the number growing as you multiply by more and more numbers. Right, so 15. So 15, the decimal would be right there, right? So I'm going to move it one time to the right, so equals 150. That makes sense because 15 times 10 should be 150. 15 times 100, once, twice, should be 1500. And 15 times 1,000, once, twice, three times, it should be three zeros, right? It should be 15,000. Okay? 32.15 multiplied by 10, moved one right one time, 321.5. 32.15 multiplied by 100, moved twice to the right, 3,215, and 32.15 moving three times to the right, 1, 2, 3, equals 32,150. One more, 6.15, move once to the right for 10, equals 61.5. 6.15 times 100, move twice to the right, equals 615, and 6.15 times 1,000, 1, 2, 3, equals 6,150, because an empty space gets filled in with a zero. All right, so make sure your work right now is as neat as me. All these empty ones, obviously, you're going to do just like I've done, nice and neat. All right, so division, we're going to go ahead and divide, right? So we're moving left. So 2,000, we start at the end, and we're going to move left one. So 2,000 divided by 10 equals 200. 2,000 divided by 100, once, twice, equals 20. And 2,000 divided by 1,000, once, twice, three times, equals 2. That makes sense. 354.2. Now, because I have a decimal, I start from the decimal. When I don't have a decimal, I start from the end of the number. So divide by 10 equals 35.42. 354.2 divided by 100, once, twice, equals 3.542. And 354.2 divided by 1,000, once, twice, three times, equals 0.3542. 2.5, again, because I have a decimal, I start from the decimal, so divided by 10 equals 0.25. 2.5 divided by 100, once, twice, equals 0.025. Notice the number getting smaller and smaller as I divide by more numbers. And 2.5 divided by 1,000, once, twice, three times, I need two zeros this time, equals 0.0025. 675.1. Again, because I have a decimal, I start from the decimal. So divided by 10 equals 67.51. Divided by, divided by 100 once, twice, equals 6.751. And divided by 1,000 once, twice, 3 times equals 0.6751. And lastly, 2,445,905. There's no decimal here, so I start from the end. Divided by 10 equals 200,044. 590.5. Sorry, I ran out of space there. So 244,590.5. 2,445,905 divided by 100 once, twice equals 24,459.05, and then you should hopefully be picking up on the pattern by now. 905 divided by 1,000, 1, 2, 3 should be 2,445.905. Again, show work nice and neat, just like I have. In fact, I want you to write neatness matters, especially when working with decimals, guys. Like moving a decimal one way or another is the difference between 100,000 and a million. It's the difference between 100 and 1,000. Decimals really matter. On the back side, you're going to be doing something very similar, but it's just with a puzzle. So divide mentally, write your answers, then mark it in the answer column for each set of exercises. There's one extra answer, so the extra answer is going to go here. So let's do number 1 together. So 32.7 divided by 10, move left one time, equals 3.27. Divide by 100, 1, 2, equals 0.327. Divide by 1,000, 1, 2, 3, equals 0.0327. And divided by 10, start at the end because there's no decimal. Once equals 32.7. So this has been taken up, this has been taken up, this has been taken up, and this has been taken up. So the answer that's left is D, and D goes right here. Let's do number 3. So still dividing here. So divide by 10, boom, equals 94.66. Divide by 100, boom, boom, equals 0.9466. Divide by 1,000, start at the end because there's no decimal. 1, 2, 3, so it equals 9.466. 1,000, start at the decimal this time because there is a decimal. 1,000, 1, 2, 3, equals 0.0, empty space, 9466. All right, so fill in the ones that we've used. We've used this one. We've used this one. We've used 94.66. And we've used 0.9466. So E is the one we have not used. So we go up to 3 and we put E. Let's do number 5 together. So this long division, guys, is the same stuff as this. This is literally just saying 0.3 divided by 1,000. And so what is that going to give you? That's interesting because you have to start at the decimal. So once, twice, 3 times. This is going to give you, I'll write it right here, sorry, point, empty space, so 0,003, 0,003. So that one was this one right here. 3.3 divided by 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 1,000. So start at the decimal, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0. So equals 0.003. So this one was used. 0.03 divided by 10. So we'll just move left one time. So it's 0.003 is our answer for that one. Did I mess up already? Oh, that's because this one was 3.3, my fault. So G was used for that one. 0.03 was used for that one. And 330 divided by 100. Start at the end because there's no decimal. Once, twice gives you 3.3. So what's left over is R, and 5 right there, R. Right? So I would rewrite problems like number 6 and problems like number 4 in division form, just like we have. I will help you out a little bit with 4 here. So this would be 5.08 divided by 100, and then you have to solve 5.08 divided by 1,000, and then you have to solve 50.8 divided by 10 and solve, and 5,080 divided by 10 and solve. So starting from the end here, starting from the decimal here, decimal here, decimal there. So on 7 and 8, you're just going to rewrite them again. 43.4 divided by 100, 3.44 divided by 10, 34.4 divided by 1,000, and 434 divided by 10. So let's do this real quick. 4.34 thousand. Oh, that was 2 decimal places. I've messed up already. Sorry about that, guys. 0.434, my fault. This one, 1,000, 1, 2, 3. So 0.0344 divided by 10. So just once. 0.344 divided by 10. Again, just 1 0. So start at the end since there's no decimal in there. 43.4. So we've used 43.4, we used 0.0344, we've used 0.4344, and we've used 0.344. So P47. Again, neatness matters. What do you call a telephone for lizards? You'll do the evens to figure out that answer right there. If you don't get something that makes sense, you've obviously messed up. Good luck. Call me if you have questions.